Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer TP-Link Kasa routines to a new account. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Kasa Smart app on your smartphone. Log into your old Kasa account where your routines are saved. Navigate to the routines section within the app. Take note of each routine you want to transfer. Now, log out of your old account. Tap on Create Account to set up a new Kasa account. Input your new email address and create a password. Verify your new account via the confirmation email sent to your inbox. Once verified, log in to your new Kasa account. Begin recreating each routine by tapping on the plus icon in the Routines section. Select the automation type for each routine you noted earlier. Follow the prompts to set the time, device actions, and any conditions for each routine. Double-check the details to make sure everything matches the original setup. Save each routine after you're satisfied with the settings. Repeat this process for all routines you wish to transfer. After all routines are created, test them to ensure they function as expected. If any adjustments are needed, return to the Routines section to edit. Finally, ensure your smart devices are linked to your new account for seamless access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.